Hello everyone. Congratulations on being selected to present at AZCALL 2020. My name is Michael Winans and I'm going to walk you through how to take your presentation from an idea, something that you would normally present in person, doing that online, and then providing the Call Club at Arizona State University the information we need in order to successfully integrate your video into the virtual conference. So that's what I'm going to show you today. First, I'm going to show you how to use Screencast-O-Matic, which is a screen recording software that I'm using right now to record this video. I will show you how you need to upload it onto YouTube, and then additionally I'll show you what the settings need to be on YouTube, and then what you need to provide us in order for us to be able to integrate your video into our website and you to be part of the virtual presentation. All right, so let's get started. The first thing I want to show you is if you go to screencast-o-matic.com, this will pop up and you'll get, I know it's small right here, but you launch the free recorder and you get this information here. Right now I'm using both, which is you can use webcam or screen or both. And as you can see, because my face is in the corner, that we are using both. Really, this is the best practice. We would like you to have a presentation with your face because humans are used to engaging with people's faces. They can read them and they can understand better your content of your slides if you have a face to pair that to kind of show your expression. So if you don't have any objection to it, please include your face in the video, and Screencast-O-Matic is a great way to do that. All right. So once you do that, let's say you use Screencast-O-Matic, you can either download that to an MP4 onto your computer and then upload that to YouTube, or Screencast-O-Matic actually allows you to directly upload to your YouTube account. So you just skip that step. But if you download it in a different way, if you download it in a way that you're going to have to upload it, I'm going to show you how to upload onto YouTube. So you'll just come over here, create a video or post. You want to create a video or upload a video. And then it'll bring you to this page. And you just select your file, which will open up. And mine is called Modulated Englishes. This is an MP4 file. And I select that, and it's starting to upload. But I've already kind of uploaded this, so I don't really want to do that. So you can upload it. Click Next. Sorry, get out of there. And I'll cancel this upload really quickly. Here's cancel upload. And that's because right here I actually have already uploaded it. All right, so here you have unlisted, private. Unlisted and public are the two different options that you're going to want to provide to us. You want a video that's either public so that everybody can search it on YouTube and they can see it, or the other option is to put it as unlisted. Unlisted will make it available to anybody you provide it to. Will make it available for them to watch, but they can't search it on YouTube. Okay, doesn't matter to me. I'm going to put it public, and then what you want to do is get a shareable link. Now you can do that two ways. You can do it like I just did it. You can actually look at the video, and here it is as well. You can copy it there. This is also another place you can change the visibility. You can actually even go to the video itself, and down at the bottom we can get the link there as well. Let me pause this to move my video out of the way. Pause. All right, so here's my presentation, and you can also get that link down here. Copy. What you do want to do is make sure that you go to an incognito window and test it. Make sure that it's able to be viewed where you're not logged in. So that'll ensure that the AZCALL is able to upload this presentation. So this is the link I provided for mine. Let's see. Modulated Englishes should pop up shortly, and there it is. Okay, so that's my presentation. That's the thing that I'm going to be presenting along with for AZCALL, right? So let's take a look at what that looks like. So you copied this, you make sure this is either private or unlisted or public. Once it's unlisted or public, you can save that and share that with us. How do you share that with us? You can just email azcall2020@gmail.com. Obviously, you're going to tell us who you are and send that to us, okay? And then we'll get that. And what we're going to do is, this is just kind of a test right now of what it looks like. But here's my video with the embedded YouTube. Has the title of the presentation, name, affiliation, has the email address, and then here we have the biography, here an abstract, and then we're also going to have a section for questions. Like I said, this right now is just to show you what it would look like, a test of what our virtual presentation will look like, and you'll have your own page with the same types of information. All right, great. So that's pretty much all we need to go over today, and I look forward to watching your presentations. Take care.